Alright, so hello everyone, welcome to my custom Unity map I made for class. It's supposed to be a repair fort island. So the game behind it is that you need to collect all the wooden planks around the map. You can see one right here. Let me close, take a closer look. There's one right here, and there's one over there, and there, around the map. And when you collect 10 of them, you can repair your ship and sail away. And the in, the island was inspired by a Sea of Thieves island, since I've been playing it a lot lately. So, and the marine fort is inspired by a marine fort from One Piece. Guess I'm watching it too. So I will show you when flying around. I will show you more or less what it did. These spheres here, I made it with Pro Builder, same as all these shapes I did using Pro Builder. This is a simple game asset, I think it's called, that you can install real quick using the engine. And I made the island like the floor and all in the water with a terrain. So I made a terrain and kind of shape it out, make it on the mountains and sharp uh, cliffs and the kind of water, and then paint over the water. It's kind of little mixed up there, but you get the idea. But yeah, and then made like what what's it called? Bluish, a more white bluish color, and kind of paint over the you know areas. So this outer area here is like a just a wall, so the enemy ships don't invade from the beach, and the cannons to defend it, same as this side over here. And then you have the rocks. Then the gate, it's a metal gate I did, like using this material, and it's like these huge rocks, kind of like the island in Sea of Thieves, and then with the bridge on top, and then make a gate, so you can close it when the ship arrives, and don't need to worry about enemy ships coming from there. So the player starts right here in his ship, and you need to collect all the wood, like I said, scatter around. There's 10 of them, and then repair the ship. I didn't make a hole in your ship because I kinda came up with the idea later, but yeah, it's all custom made with Pro Builder, same as the sails and not everything. And the the port is also separate, kind of each shape, I made it all using Pro Builder. The stairs too. This repair factory here with the sails on top, to make it look cooler. And then there's the same ship but without the sails, and to seem like it's getting built up instead of having it here, because why not? And there's also this cave here. It's like integrated through the mountain. So I make like a hole using the terrain, uh, brush, or I don't know what you call that, and then putting the this. I'm sorry, my English not bad. So making the using the cylinder, yeah, with a hole in the middle, and then putting a cube down there to close it up, and then making these platforms, to get your wood. And so when you get close, also you can see like the vegetation with the grass, and it's all green instead of looking for far away, it disappears. So when you close up, it looks a lot better. I like it. And there's the wood over there. Let me see this. There's nothing here. you know. And it has like a village here where the Marines can eat or something. I mean the shipwrights, I think it's called, can eat and sleep. They're basically empty. But there's one wood over here, and then I'll show you sorry the fort or the base. Is this? You get through here, and you see the stairs, kind of glitchy, you know, but you can climb them just fine. And when you get to the top, oh, what happened? Sorry. And when you get to the top, there's one wood here, and you can see all the island. And I really like this view. I think it looks really cool. You can see everything from here, and see behind you. Behind you, there's nothing, so you don't see behind you. So you see here, and when you play, let me just play real quick. Um, this is I don't know what is that, but you start here. You're a little ship. You get down. And you go to the what's it called? Muelle port. And the top left, it counts all your wooden planks you grabbed. So when you get to 10, you get a message. Yeah, you can walk in water, and you get a message like on your screen that, oh, you win and congratulations. So I'm gonna collect all the wood real quick and walk around the island, to see if it works and doesn't have any glitches. Cause when I was making that over there, that mountain terrain, oh shoot, I kind of glitched out with a tree and uh, went down the terrain, so I kind of fall off the map. So let me whoop, whoop, climb this, and then whoop, and then grab the wood. Nice. You see, I really like walking around here. It's look really cool with all the green and the sand, and the water looks cool too. Cause I use a brush to scatter around those light blue colors, and you can go here. You can climb over the wall too if you want to see outside. So you can walk around. I'm sorry, I don't know what to say. It's just it takes a little while to get there. Get up here, but it's worth it. You can see all this. Looks cool. So get this one, have 7. Go through here. This one is the 8. The stairs work. Think you don't get stuck and get up here. Boop, that's 9. Missing 1, and I think it's at the village. Okay, so yeah, you can no, it's still on the bridge. Oh shoot! Okay, I fell off. You can see all the island from there. It looks really cool. So let me get to the bridge and show you what it says when you win. Gonna walk on water. Why not? And you can go, underneath the gates too. I kinda blend that with a rock texture, kinda. And then there's the bridge, boop, and then you win. Awesome. And that's it. So thank you for watching. I basically forgot to say um I did all the textures except for the sand and the grass and this rock texture too. But I made all these, dirt right here. I made all these the textures for the assets. Oh my god. and the you win test over there. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.